So Philia wasn't feeling well. She seemed sluggish and started coughing a bit, and I began to worry. I opened the Dosti app and used the symptom checker to see what might be wrong. Dosti asked me a few simple questions about Philia's symptoms, like how long she had been coughing and if she had any other issues. After I answered, it gave me helpful tips, like checking Philia's breathing and looking for signs of mucus. Following the advice, I kept a close eye on her symptoms. The app even let me know when it might be time to see the vet. Thanks to Dosti, I knew how to take care of Philia, and now she's back to her energetic self.